Everyone, I hope you're all having an awesome day. Today I'm going to share a haul with you. I popped into, not very local to me, about, I want to say about 45 minutes away, a Hobbycraft. Yeah, I just popped in there and they had quite a lot reduced. So I just thought I'd pop on and share what I picked up. So I managed to find these cinch We Are Memory Keepers binding wires. These are really large. I don't think I've ever had ones this big before. They're 1 inch. You get a dark blue and a light blue in there. I think it's just one. Is it? Sorry guys, I'm just looking to see how many. 12 inches tall. I'm not 100% sure. I'll just open it. It feels like there's more than just one of each colour. But these were £1 each, which I thought was really good. So I don't know if this is like obviously old stock or what, or they're not making them anymore. I don't know. Oh, so you get two. So it's two dark. That's the dark blue, and then 2 of this like light blue. So there's 4 in there. So I've got 8 for £2 because they, like I said, they were £1 each. So I thought that was really good. So I picked up those. Then found this craft tweezers. I don't think I have anything like this. Yeah, they were only £1 as well. Studio Light brand. So hopefully they'll be good. So I picked up those. Then found these binding rings, and again I do use these when I'm making like things like charms, albums, tags, like flip tags. Yeah, so you get 12 in a pack, and these ones were, I think these were like £1.50, or it could have been £2 each. I'm not 100% sure. I think the silver ones were a different price to these. I think there's like a bronze. They only had one of these. I think these ones were a bit dearer than these ones. But anyway, I picked up those. Then found these, and again these were really cheap, and I thought they would be nice to send either in HAPPYMAIL, really pretty dies, like a fairy, or I might do a giveaway and share those. But I got 3 of those. They're all the same. But yeah, so I picked up those. Then found some Tim Holtz bits. And these sandy paws sequins. They're like all different. I don't know if you're gonna, I do apologise for the glare. If you're gonna see, there's loads of different colours like in there. Can't really see that, but they were 50p, I know that. And then these Tim Holtz, you've got this gate. I don't have anything like this. And then this frame. And again, I want to say these were like £2 each. I picked up those. And then these stamp sets. These are again Tim Holtz collection. I like flowers. And again, I thought they'd be nice for either a swap or HAPPYMAIL, or even a giveaway. I'm starting to get a few bits. I will do a giveaway because I haven't done a big one in a while. So I'm not decided what. I most probably do a challenge one. I'm not decided what yet, but I will obviously share that in a different video. Then found these magnet sheets. I have had these before. I think the smaller ones, but these were only £5 and you get 5 sheets, large magnet sheets in there. I don't have anything like a folder that would hold this size, but it's perfect for me to cut down. And then obviously I can use those in the little pocket wallets that I have to put them in, depending on the size of my pockets. And then I got these ones. These are medium pockets with magnet sheets in them, so I thought they'd be quite good to get, and these were £2 each, so I picked up those. And then the last few bits is these. So I've got this again Studio Light stamp and die set. I thought it was really pretty. You got this one that says what does that say on there? Also created by, and then you can put title, info. I don't have anything like that. I thought that'd be quite nice to put on projects that I send out. And then you got, like I said, the dies that match, little label that says handmade. So again, I thought that was really good. And I think that was about £1. And then these, I didn't realise, this one was obviously, you can see 50p, and I thought it was just, which I thought was really good anyway, it had this die set in there, so I think it's, is it 5 dies in there or 4 dies, these frames. But I didn't realise till I got home this one's different, and it's actually got both of these in now. So it comes with this die set, just trying to see how many's in there. I think that's a separate one, the outer piece, and then you've got these inner pieces, and then the frames. Yeah, there's quite a few dies in there. And then this one, which is really pretty. And like I said, for 2 of those, like I didn't even realise until I got home that there was 2 in there. And like I said, they were 50p. And then again, the same with this. I didn't realise until I got home that there's different ones in here. So again, these were really cheap as well. So you get layer A, B and C, but they look completely, I don't know if that you could use these oh, sorry guys. If you use these together, or you can use these individually. Oh gosh, that's got a bit of dust up my nose. Yeah, so I don't know if these, you can layer these. It says A, B and C, so maybe they do. Oh, okay, yeah. So you can use different cardstock, and then you can use them in there. I mean, you can use them on their own, but you could make a kind of a 3D kind of frame using the different ones. So that's kind of cool. Like I said, I didn't realise until I got home and looked inside that there was 3 in there. So A, B and C, yeah. So I'm excited to try that actually. This one must have, so this one has the piece to I guess to hold all these layers together. So that's kind of cool. Yeah, and I think that was it actually that I picked up in Hobbycraft. So definitely check out your Hobbycraft. I don't know if they're like just getting rid of old, like I said, if this is all old stock, I've not seen any of these in there before. Yeah, I know they had a lot of Christmassy bits in, so maybe they're just making room for that. But yeah, as always guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next one. Take care guys, bye.